Welcome back to another video. This build has been a long time coming, but it's finally done. So now we're going to turn it into a 15-minute build video. Thank you guys for watching. We do appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and look around for more videos. So the parts truck is finally here.
Gotcha.
It's good. Pull this back and we'll figure it out from there. Got it disconnected. Got this off. Right under there.
Is the only friend that gives a damn.
not cleaning it too well.
All that milk.
I know the crazy, bro.
You guys are clear.
Forward. Oh, we're here. I thought you were going to go above these.
Scoot it back.
1, 2, 3.
We'll do like these people. Straight out like.
Mom. Hey, you roll.
Yum, yum, yum.
I will wait.
truck is at the shop. We're gonna get it painted. Just need 3 doors, like 2 fenders, and then the front valence, and that's it. This thing's gonna look sick. Now I'm just looking for KMC wheels and maybe size 35s. But from what I heard, he has to cut the front bash bar up there, which we'll see what we can do. But we'll give it about a week and a half, maybe 2, and this thing will be back on the road.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
I wanted the diagnostic guy. With more accurate chili, 2024. Type S. No, it's hot. Mirror is not painted. See you Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday. Truck is done. Finally got painted. Got both doors on. Make sure I match the gap in between so it fits nice and smooth. This I'll adjust back home. Just want to get everything on. That way when I close the hood, all the panels align roughly good so I can drive it home and then fix it there. Got both fenders done. 3 doors done. Front valence painted. Now everything looks sick. If you guys can see, the back looks nice and smooth. Everything matches. Now, put everything together, drive home, put the windows on, the door panels, all these rubber trims, and this truck is gonna be nice and finished. I'm excited to get this thing back on the road.
Now that's the end of the video. We did take about 6 months to fix this with taking the cab off, finding a parts truck and whatnot. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look for the next video coming through. Like, comment, subscribe, and we thank you.